Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Decryption. The Germans considered the Enigma for a long time as absolutely secure and unbreakable. However, they did not think about the fact that if encryption happened via a machine might also make decryption possible. Already in 1932, the Polish mathematician Marian Rejewski was able to break the Enigma code by using his own commercially bought Enigma. When the Germans shortly after that switched from 3 to 5 rotors, a new method had to be developed to break the code. In 1939, shortly before the German attack on Poland, Polish, British and French cryptanalysts met in secret in the Kabaty Woods by Pirie near Warsaw. The Polish shared their methods with which they had successfully decrypted German messages since 1932. In the end, the British were able to modify the approaches of their Polish colleagues such that they were able to break the German messages again. This group of British cryptanalysts became known under the name Bletchley Park. In particular, the work of the British mathematician Alan Turing has to be highlighted. With his Turing bomb, it was possible to reduce the key space and to decrypt the messages. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.